Hello there and welcome back to Money Moves. How much will you need to fund your child's higher education? What if I tell you that there is a guaranteed way of realizing their ambition without you having to make huge sacrifices? Let's talk about how a unique life insurance plan can secure their bright future and give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life may bring. Presenting the Pramerica Life Rakshak Smart Plan with Enhanced Life Option. This plan offers a guaranteed income and a savings booster at the end of the payout period, which can be utilized to meet the future costs of your child's education and related expenses with ease. Let's understand how this option works. Suresh, a healthy 30-year-old married man with a 3-year-old son, wants to save for his son's higher education and create a guaranteed income stream. He opts for Enhanced Life Option with a policy term of 20 years and a premium payment term of 12 years. He pays an annual premium of 1.5 lakh rupees and his base sum assured is 11.53 lakh rupees. Now, if Suresh survives till the end of the policy term, he shall receive a guaranteed annual income from the 21st year for 5 years and an assured savings booster in the final year with the last annual income. This way, Suresh will receive a total of 247% more than what he paid in the total premiums, and his child's dreams will be secured. Now, thanks to an inbuilt comprehensive life cover, in case of Suresh's sad demise at the end of the second year of the policy term, his nominee will receive an immediate death benefit along with monthly income for the rest of the policy term and a lump sum benefit at maturity. This way, Suresh is assured that no matter what the circumstances, his child's future will always be secured. Also, there are tax benefits applicable on premiums paid and on benefits received as per prevailing income tax laws. And the best part is that this plan is brought to you by Pramerica Life Insurance that has given over 15 years of unwavering commitment to protecting millions of lives in India. So what are you waiting for? Just follow these simple steps and take the right step to protect your child's dreams. Please don't hesitate to contact us and explore potential solutions that align with your goals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.